Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric angle grinder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Cordless Brushless Electric Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, Cameli. Model number, DGA404. Motor type, brushless. Disc bore diameter, 14 millimeters. Weight, 2.4 kilograms. O-load speed, 18500 RPM. Rated input power, 1800 W. Disc, wheel, type, grinding disc. Disc diameter, 100 millimeters to 125 millimeters. Rated voltage, 18 V. Power source, electricity. Item number 4 is Hilda 125 millimeters brushless angle cutting grinder. Specifications: brand name, Hilda. Motor type, brushed. Usage, home DIY. Variable speed, yes. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. Dimensions, 20 by 10 by 10 centimeters. Disc, wheel, type, grinding disc. Disc diameter, 125 millimeters. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Electric Angle Grinder 500W. Specifications: brand name, Gevorks. Usage, home DIY. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is Variable Speed Brushless Electric Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, Hilda. Type, angle grinder. Usage, home DIY. Motor type, brushless. Variable speed, yes. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Rated voltage, 21 V. Power source, electricity. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 12V Mini Brushless Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, XMSJ. Motor type, brushless. Disc bore diameter, 14 millimeters. Usage, home DIY. Weight, 900 G. No load speed, 11,000. Disc diameter, 75 millimeters. Rated voltage, 50. Power source, electricity.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.